guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like video effects as well as body effects to your videos on CapCut PC. I'm just going to add in my video here and I'm going to select effects. To add video effects, I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select like a video effect. Maybe like this one, and kind of like adjust the effect a little bit. You can also adjust the strength as well as the speed. I think to make it go faster, you can slide it to the left or right maybe. I'm not quite sure which one's the way. I think it might be to the right, but I'm going to just add this to the, like for the video effects part. And to add the body effects, you're just going to select body effects, and I'm going to choose the one that's like full body, like these ones, like this frame one for instance. That one's pretty cool, as well as that one. You can select whichever one you want, but I think I'm just going to choose this one. I'm just going to add it to track and add it throughout the whole video. You can also adjust the atmosphere and also the filters here. I'm just going to leave it though. That is basically it. You can add more than one, by the way, if you want to. But I'm just going to, I think, leave it like that. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!